Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Blurb, complete guide step by step clearly. First, sign up for a Blurb account on their website. After that, familiarize yourself with the platform's features. Explore the various tools available for book creation. Select the type of project you want to work on. This could be a photo book, portfolio, or even an ebook. Choose a template that suits your content style. Spend some time customizing the template. Add your images, text, and any other visual elements. Pay attention to layout and design for a professional look. Next, optimize your content for your target audience. Research keywords relevant to your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your book's title and description. Once you're satisfied with your project, review it thoroughly. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Make sure all images are high quality and properly placed. After the review, proceed to the printing options. Select your desired book size and paper quality. Decide whether you want a softcover or hardcover finish. Choose the binding style that best fits your project. Once you finalize these choices, place your order. While waiting for your book, plan your marketing strategy. Use social media platforms to promote your side hustle. Consider creating engaging content around your book. Engage with your audience to build relationships. Once your book arrives, use it as a physical marketing tool. Attend local events or fairs to showcase your work. Use this feedback to improve future projects. Lastly, keep experimenting with Blurb's features as you grow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.